Hi, I'm Dr. Sattian. I'm a gastroenterologist and hepatologist at Mawa Medical Center. My special interest is in bariatric endoscopy.
My name is Zack. I'm from the sales department. I'm the sales manager here. I've been with Matrix since 2015. As time goes by, my weight goes up, and then I'm facing some health issues such as sleep apnea, obesity. Matrix management have suggested me to meet Dr. Sattian to consult and see how to solve my obesity and sleep apnea issues. I told him, like a joke, is I wanted to have a family of mine. I wanted to get married. I wanted to look good. I wanted to look slim.
In fact, when we look at the blood test when he first came, everything was haywire. Can you remember when the time you told me that in the meeting you used to slip off, feeling embarrassed about
Not just meetings, sometimes even driving, until my colleagues screwed me badly during driving, saying, why you sleep while you're driving?
Yes. So when he came up, we come up with a solution, including the treatment to reduce the weight first, control his diet. Subsequently, after 4 to 5 months later, Jack came down from 135 kg to around 120 kg plus on his own effort. And subsequently, we went to do the procedure, endoscopic sleeve gastroplasty. And Zack has been now complaining after the procedure has lost so much weight. So he ended up paying more money just because he have to keep on changing his pants. And I still remember the time when you came with your spouse. You told me,
yes,
Doctor, I will need to lose weight before I get married.
No,
I think at the moment you can bend on your knee to propose.
now I can bend down and I can stand up without any support. I got the wedding ceremony. He will be one of the ones sitting in the table cheering for me, yam-sing with me.
Definitely, definitely. For me personally, I had a lot of patients, but many of these patients, especially working together, may become my good friends. One of them is, of course, definitely Zack. Moving forward, I'm looking many more years with Matrix, hopefully with more procedures and helping more patients, not only the employees, offer a better future for them.
Really thanks Dr. Sattian for all the support and his team given to me during this period of time, which let me get a better health condition compared to years ago.